When a charged body is placed near an uncharged or a neutral body, charges of opposite polarity are produced nearer the surface of the conductor and equal amounts of charges of same polarity are produced on the farther or opposite surface of the conductor. This process is called induction. So, in this video, we will discuss how to charge a body by induction method. There are two cases: charging a metal sphere by induction and charging to metal space by induction. Let us now discuss the first case. There are some steps to be followed. In the first step, let's take an uncharged metal sphere attached to an insulating stand. In the next step, bring a positively charged body near a metal sphere. You can observe here that some of the negative charges in the metal sphere are attracted by the positively charged body and accumulated on the left surface of that metal sphere. In the third step, we are connecting the metal sphere with the earth. So, the electrons from the ground are attracted by the metal sphere. Although positive charges are neutralized by negative charges from the earth, since we are still holding the charged body near the metal sphere, some of the electrons which were previously attracted by it will remain on the left surface of the sphere. In the fourth step, we are removing the connection between the earth and metal sphere. After removing the charged body, you can observe that those excess electrons are equally distributed around the surface of the metal sphere. And we are done with the charging process. In this case, it is a negatively charged body. Let us now discuss the second case. That is, charging to metal space by induction. Let's take two neutral bodies attached to each other. Now, bring the positively charged body near the first metal sphere. Because of that, most of the negative charges from the first sphere and some of the negative charges of the second sphere are attracted towards the left surface of the first sphere. Now, let us just remove the positively charged body. You can observe that, in the first sphere, there are more negative charges than the positive charges, so it will become a negatively charged body. And in the second sphere, there are more positive charges than the negative charges, so it will become a positively charged body. These are the two cases of charging a body by induction. Now quickly let's discuss the properties of electric charges. There are two types of electric charges: positive and negative charges. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Since electric charge only has magnitude but no direction, it is a scalar quantity. If you have a number of charges in a system, you can add all of those charges to calculate net charge. So, charges are additive. Total charge of an isolated system will remain constant. This is known as conservation of charge. And the sixth property of an electric charge is quantization of charge, which means that all free charges are the integral multiple of the basic unit of charge.